And now we'll see if we can cut it. Oh, look at it!
And I'm just gonna play with it like it's some kind of Play-Doh. Sinky, sinky, sinky. I'm pressure to it and it's still sticking.
It's only the slight amount of... I'm bringing it up.
Hey, I wonder what would happen if you put a feather on it. Oh, I'll get a leaf and put it on it. I don't know. Don't know if it'll work. Let's see what'll happen.
Have I got some on my face?
Yes. I think it's kind of good there.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I just saw it on the grass. Now let's see what'll happen when I pull it up. It sticks! Now, I'll get my ball. Hang on. Reese, stop.
Oops, I made the jug fall. Yeah, of course. Now let me
Steady.
see if I can bounce it.
Oh!
I just tore the leaf.
Oh no, this is bad.
Ready?
This is bad
Move.
news.
Move.
I think I just got
Simone, move.
You can't find the leaf.
Make sure I film this bit. Move.
Sorry.